Here I have VIVO V21E, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So for this operation you will need this kind of tool, which might help you eject the SIM card and SD card slot, which is located right here. So what you have to do is to insert this tool inside this hole next to the slot, slightly press it, the slot pops out, you can eject it with your bare hands, just like this. So here you have to insert your SD card, and here you have two slots for SIM card. Here you have SIM 1 and here you have SIM 2. So let's insert SIM 1 and then put it back into our device, just like this. And as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is detected. So let's enter it. And there's also a notification saying that SD card found, which is the proof that SD card is also detected. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.